Let's talk about edges in just a generic image and how it is that edges come to be within a picture. So what you can see here is, this is some ancient picture somebody drew out, that there are edges that happen for a variety of reasons, right? So here's one right there, okay, and that's at a depth discontinuity. First we're looking at the bottle, then we're looking at the background. Here's a shadow edge. Of course, shadows aren't really that harsh, but go with me for there. There's the idea that there's a discontinuity in the illumination. Up here, from this top to there, there's a discontinuity in the surface normal. That is, the shape is one way, and then the shape changes, and it's pointing in a different direction. And then finally, edges here can be to essentially color discontinuity. So we go from white to black on the same surface, same illumination, same shape and everything, but the reflectance is actually different. So that's what edges look like. We can look at them in a real picture. I think this is UT Texas, which would mean that, again, this was stolen from Christopher Grumman as well, borrowed. All right. So in a real image, we have depth discontinuity, so the side of the building. We have shadows, so there you can see the shadow being cast by the sun on the front. What's interesting is we have texture. So if you were to blow up this area, and maybe we'll take a look at some texture later, just from the texture, or you can think of it as paint, things that are on the surface, you get different edges that show up. And then finally, the top ridge of that little cement thing, the edge around the ridge on top, that's like the top of the bottle cap. Same stuff, same color, but I get a discontinuity in surface orientation. So our goal for today, and next time also, is to find the edges in an image. Or to put this another way, we want to convert an image, which is a function of x, y, into a reduced set of pixels or curves, etc., that are the important elements of the picture somehow. And the idea is, so, that it encodes the changes that matter to you.